Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use a pet lead in your garden and how you can obtain it. Level up your friendship with Raphael to level 2 here. Just give him some food, and then if you go to the egg shop and look at the tier 2, there is pet neighbor roller and pet lead. It basically just makes a pet follow you for 10 seconds. People say it's useless. I'm actually not sure if this was worth purchasing as well. This is what it just does. Here, I'll get the queen bee, and it's going to follow me for just 10 seconds. I actually don't know what it does. Okay, where are you? Hello? Is it even following me? Oh my gosh, it got stuck. But I don't know what it's for completely. Maybe it gets near a plant I want to add mutation to. But even then, it didn't really do much. But yeah, that's pretty much what that does. I don't think it's worth the purchase, but this is just me showing you guys what it does. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.